In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to emote in League of Legends. Emotes are a quick, fun way to react in the moment, whether you landed a great play, want to cheer on a teammate, or just say hello without typing. They pop up right above your champion and are designed to be fast and easy, so you can express yourself without missing a beat in the action. First, jump into a game. Any mode works, but the practice tool is perfect if you want to try this with zero pressure. Once you've loaded onto the map and your champion is on screen, you're ready to go. Here's the simple part. Press and hold the T key. Holding T opens your emote wheel right on your screen. While you're still holding that key down, move your mouse toward the emote you want to use. You'll see each slice of the wheel highlight as you hover over it, so you know exactly which one you're selecting. When you're hovering the emote you want, just release the T key. The moment you let go, your chosen emote will play in-game. That's it. Press, hold, aim, and release. After a few tries, it becomes second nature. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you press T and nothing shows up, your keybind may have been changed at some point. In that case, check your emote wheel binding in your settings when you have a moment. Also, emotes typically have a short cooldown, so if it doesn't fire the second time right away, give it a moment before trying again. You can emote while moving, and you don't need to stop your champion to use the wheel, which helps you keep your focus on farming, fighting, or rotating. Your emote wheel shows the emotes you've equipped ahead of time. If you've set it up before, you'll see your usual favorites. If you haven't customized it yet, you'll still have options ready to use, and you can update your wheel later so your most used emotes are right where you expect them. Finally, a quick note on etiquette. Emotes are meant to add personality and lighten the mood. Keep them playful and positive, and be mindful of the tone in competitive matches. A well-timed thumbs up or friendly cheer can go a long way. And that's all you need. Load into a game, press and hold T to open the emote wheel, move your mouse to the emote you want, and release to share it. Try it in the practice tool to get comfortable, and soon you'll be emoting effortlessly in every match.